There's no better opportunity than now to go viral overnight and completely change your brand and blow up. The embarrassing thing is not posting on TikTok and failing. The embarrassing thing is being too embarrassed to post on TikTok.
TikTok will give you a lot of growth opportunity for your Twitch stream. But you know what? I don't know a lot about TikTok. So I asked Josh to talk about TikTok here in this video. My name is Trui and I make stream and support videos. Stream smarter, not harder.
My name's Josh. I'm the creator of the Jax1tv TikTok channel. And basically I create Warzone TikToks, but I'm trying to create TikToks around growing your TikTok channel. Then promoted my stream, so my Twitch stream, and it's basically grown me from 0 viewers on the 2nd of January 2021 to like 200 average viewers within kind of a month and a half, 2 months.
And you've got like huge videos as well, right? Like one with 8 million views.
Yeah, so one of my TikTok videos hit 8 million views. The reason I'm coming on here is to try and, explain how I did that and how you can kind of convert all those TikTok followers and the views that you get in over to your Twitch stream to make that big as well.
I'm a Twitch streamer and I want to start with TikTok. How often should I post on TikTok?
I'd recommend posting on TikTok between about 3 to 5 videos a day, which obviously is quite a lot.
Yeah.
But I think at first you need to try and learn the platform, and you're only going to learn that platform by posting as many videos as possible. The only thing I wouldn't recommend doing is kind of posting videos back to back. If you post 2 at the same time, one might get a lot of views, but the other one will just absolutely flop.
So try and spread them out during the day.
Yeah, and what that's also going to do for you, if you say you used to post 5 videos a day, you could post one as soon as you wake up, one after you've had your breakfast, like a couple of hours later, and just spread it out throughout the day. And then you'll also find kind of what time of posting works best for your channel. Although it does seem like a lot, it's getting that practice. And if I was to post kind of 5 videos a day for 50 days, that'd be 250 videos that I'd get. Whereas if you only post 1 video for 50 days, you'd only post 50 videos. So if I was to post 250 against your 50, yeah, I'd be getting kind of so much more practice than you would by posting all these videos. I'd be able to understand the algorithm. I'd be able to analyze more analytics than you would. And, essentially it's all about just practice.
How long should one TikTok be?
It's all about like watch time. So if you can keep that viewer's watch time all the way to the end of the video, and you can do that on a 60-second video, then you go for it. You try and do that. If it's like a trending sound that's only kind of 8 seconds, that's how long your video should be. You should kind of follow that trend. So it depends with regards to watch time. If you can get someone, if you have that ability to get somebody to watch for the full minute, and you have a story that suits the kind of structure of the video, then you go for it and try it. So I don't think there's kind of a specific length of time that your TikTok should be, but it's all just about trying to keep that viewer retention. And if you, the biggest thing that I'd recommend doing is if you're kind of creating a video and the punchline is after 12 seconds, and then it kind of goes down again, like so like your video goes along, you get the punchline, then it drops again. Don't carry the video on after that punchline. Like when they've seen it, just end the video there. The video is going to restart as it does automatically on TikTok, and then it's going to get over 100% watch time.
So cut it as short as you can. As
soon as the big finale happens, stop your video. Cut it that short that the viewer has to watch it again to be like, oh, what have I just seen? I don't know if I saw that properly.
I've seen some people like use like text for like really short, so you rewatch it to like know what the text said.
I saw something similar to that, and I've saved it in my favorites because I'm actually going to recreate it. My favorites is basically just a full list of videos that I'm going to recreate. The video that I saw the other day essentially was a flash of text, and then after, the guy was like, that is how you're going to grow on TikTok. Kind of filled it out a little bit more, but then it's got people's attention and they're like, oh, I need to see that. How am I going to grow on TikTok? So then they have to watch 100% of the video to get back to square one. And if the pause game is not very good, they're going to have to watch it twice and get to the start again. So if you can, yeah, it's a good idea.
So I've seen like a couple of videos on TikTok where they ask for likes. So for example, they say like, if you want to have a good day, give a like, or if you want to help me make this video popular, click that like icon and comment on my video. Should you do these kind of videos?
Definitely. So similar to YouTube, for example, the analytics of your video and how the viewers interact with your video is all like kind of decides how many views that video is going to get. For example, for me at the minute, if I don't get 20% likes on every video that I post, so if I've got 100 views, I'd expect 20 likes out of those 100 views. And if I don't, then I kind of have a bad feeling about the video. So it goes in the list of like watch times first, that's the most important. Then shares comes next, and then underneath it's like comments and likes. With regards to asking for people to interact with these, I definitely would. For example, it was a video of how there was a hacker in this game that I was playing, and essentially right at the start I was saying, stop scrolling, in this video I'm going to show you a hacker in Call of Duty. Quite frankly, I'm sick of it. So what we need to do is tag at Call of Duty in the comments, which is obviously going to get people to comment. Share this video to as many people as you can. If you've got nobody to share it with, just press the share button and then copy link, because that counts as a share. What that's going to do is push it out to more people and expose these hackers once and for all. It's going to kind of push your content out to more people. The more, the better analytics you can get. So I would recommend doing it, but I'd kind of do it in a sneaky way.
So I'm a Twitch streamer and I want to share my content on TikTok. Can I just use my Twitch clips for TikTok?
There's a YouTuber that I was watching a few weeks ago called Joseph Todd, and he basically interviewed a TikTok employee, and he was asking that basically that question, saying that a lot of his viewers kind of want to promote their Twitch streams, and is that a good idea? Now his response was that TikTok aren't going to promote other platforms. So if you was to take a clip directly off Twitch and promote it then on TikTok, TikTok's going to recognize that that's from another platform and not promote that. However, if you can edit it in a certain way where it's not blatantly obviously off Twitch, then you might be able to do it. So for example, like for myself, what I do is I have 2 layers on my video. So the back layer I will have as my face, so I'll just have my face cam, so I'll zoom straight in onto the face cam footage on my Twitch stream and kind of move that into the top, so it's like sitting at the top, and then underneath I'll just have the gameplay layer, so it doesn't look like it's been directly off Twitch. Whereas I see a lot of people kind of just uploading the 1920 by 1080,
yeah,
but in like a small rectangle. So there's huge kind of black boxes at the top and bottom on TikTok. Now those videos for me, I don't think are going to get pushed out.
Probably TikTok sees that there's like a lot of black space, so it's probably can do like some calculations about like this is coming from another platform.
Yeah, exactly. And you want to kind of format your videos so it's within that TikTok format and that full length format. You don't want these big black boxes at the top and at the bottom. Like that's where I started. I was uploading for about 3-4 months with these huge black boxes, but I was too scared to make the jump to try and learn to edit. But that is, it's not difficult learning to edit. Like as soon as you get into it, you just start slow and you'll be able to do it. What
I've seen is there's like trends, and some people are just like straight up copying other people's videos. Should you do that to grow?
Yeah, so it depends on your niche. So if your niche is to just be a dancer, just copy exactly what the dancers are doing. So like Addison Rae and Charli D'Amelio, they're the biggest. I think Charli D'Amelio's hit over 100 million followers on TikTok, which is crazy. But she just literally dances, so I would just remake her content. With regards to kind of copying content, it is something that I would recommend doing, because people on TikTok, they just have such small attention spans that you want to give them familiarity. And if you can't give them that familiarity and they see something that they don't know what's going to happen, and if you've not had a good hook which is going to make them stick around, they're not going to wait for it. Whereas if you use kind of trending sounds and stuff, more people are more inclined to stick around for that video because they kind of know what's coming. And if they've liked a trend in the past, then they're going to stick around for your video because they might kind of know and expect what's coming, like we say. With regards to copying like smaller people do credit people, which obviously is the respectful thing to do. So if you was to copy someone's video that hasn't got a big following, it's always a good idea to credit them, especially if you've got a big following yourself. Like if I was to copy a small creator and I wasn't to credit them and my video exploded, then it's kind of not fair on them because I've used their idea without kind of allowing them to have some form of like publicity from it as well. And
finding these trending topics might be hard for people. Where can they find these videos to make their own video with?
The best way to find like trending content and basically content ideas, I would scroll down the For You page, and if you see something that is kind of something that's similar to your niche, so for you it might be kind of like Twitch streaming content where it's like how to grow on Twitch, or gaming content of the similar games that you're interested in, just kind of like that video, scroll on to the next one, like that one, scroll on to the next one, like that one. So if you interact with all these videos that are in your niche and then refresh your For You page, you'll just see endless videos that are viral videos which are based around your niche, which is basically it's endless ideas for you to kind of replicate. If you find kind of like viral videos on the For You page, if you just hold the screen and add them to your favorites, then when you go to your favorites, you will just have kind of like an endless section of videos that you want to recreate, and it'll save you forgetting them. The biggest thing is like scrolling down, seeing something that you want to recreate, and then not kind of either adding the sound to your favorites or adding the video to your favorites, and then you'll just think, oh, I'll remember that, but I can promise you won't.
So like sounds are really important on TikTok. So let's say I make a video with like gameplay or something, should I add like a trending sound to it?
Yeah, I recommend doing so. For example, some sounds are really catchy, and like I can say that I have watched videos before just to listen to the sound, which is a bit weird. If there's a sound out there that's kind of trending as well, TikTok also encourages that sound and that video that's being used. Even if you've got a video that doesn't relate to a sound, you can just turn the sound right down. So just use the sound, just turn it all the way down. If you don't want the actual volume in your video, turn the sound right down, and then just post that with the sound that you're using. You
don't actually hear the music, but you hear, hear your original sound, but it still shows up as it has this music in it. So you have got this video that got 8 million views. Why do you think that one did blow up?
With regards to like shares, that's what the TikTok algorithm wants more than anything, is shares and watch time. With regards to comments, that's the videos playing on repeat in the background, so that's essentially getting the watch time up. So with regards to making videos that are going to go viral, it's things that are going to kind of push on those analytics. So the 8 million views video was on a controversial topic. It got people in the comments kind of having discussions and debates. All that time, my video in the background is playing over and over and over again, getting that watch time up. But then I could also recommend doing videos that create shares. So because it was on a controversial topic as well, some people found it funny. It was like kind of a bit of a joke. So they shared it to the friends because they thought it was funny. So that also, you know, got people to share it. I didn't actually ask anybody to share it or like that video at all. It was more kind of organic shares and stuff that it got.
So recently you wrote a book about TikTok. Where can people find it and why should they buy it?
You can either find it through my links on my TikTok, on my YouTube, or through my Twitch stream.
I'll leave it down below in the description for you as well.
Thank you. It's an ebook, which is basically an instant kind of download. It goes straight to your email, or you can read it through Gumroad, so that's the website that it's published on. It takes you through my whole process of having basically no viewers on TikTok in August last year, and it takes you through how I've grown to, I'm on 93k on TikTok now. It'll talk you through exactly what you need with the algorithm. Essentially, it's like all these videos that you get on TikTok condensed into one small book, which is only 18 pages long, because I understand people don't want to be reading 100 pages of waffle. And it's £1.
I'm not that good at like doing conversions, but that's like around $1.50.
If you're serious about growing on TikTok, it'll give you all the information you need. We do talk quite a lot about mindset in there as well, and I am interested in hearing people's mindsets with regards to growing the social medias.
Yeah, leave a comment down below. What do you think about growing on TikTok?
If you don't know about TikTok, it's girls dancing. That's the kind of persona that TikTok has. It's just full of girls dancing. That's it. So if you're a guy and you get TikTok, a lot of people will maybe be embarrassed to say that they're trying to create content on TikTok, because people who don't understand the platform just think it's about these people dancing, when it's not at all. Like, there's so many creators on TikTok, and there's so many businesses on TikTok that are absolutely blowing up using this platform.
Thank you so much for being here talking about TikTok. I'll leave all the links in the description to find Josh on anywhere. He's everywhere. So go check him out. If you like Warzone, go join his streams, join his custom matches, and have fun.
Thank you. I'm on Twitch, Instagram, just made a Twitter account. That's something that I need to get into a little bit. I'm on YouTube, and I'm also on TikTok, obviously. It's just Jax1tv on all the platforms.